Replacing windows is a significant investment that can improve the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. If you're a homeowner in Cayce, South Carolina, you know that the local climate can have a major impact on your windows. The intense summer heat and occasional cold fronts make it essential to choose windows that suit the local conditions. However, even with the best intentions, there are several common mistakes homeowners make when replacing windows. Avoiding these mistakes can help you get the most out of your window replacement project. Choosing the wrong window style. One of the most important aspects of window replacement is selecting the right window style. While aesthetics are crucial, the functionality of the window should not be overlooked. Many homeowners opt for a style based solely on appearance without considering how it fits into the structure and use of the space. For instance, a large picture window may look beautiful in the living room but may not be practical for a bedroom where ventilation is important. Similarly, you might think that casement windows are a great choice, but they may not be the best option in areas with limited space to fully open the window. Before making a decision, take the time to evaluate your home's layout, ventilation needs, and natural light preferences. This ensures that the windows you select not only look good but also function well in your home's environment. Neglecting to consider energy efficiency. In a region like Cayce, where temperatures can rise in the summer and dip in the winter, energy-efficient windows are essential. Failing to prioritize energy efficiency when replacing your windows can lead to higher utility bills and less comfort throughout the year. Many homeowners make the mistake of focusing solely on the initial cost of the windows without considering their long-term benefits. Look for windows that have energy-efficient features such as low emissivity, low E glass coatings, double or triple pane glass, and gas fills between the panes. These features help to insulate your home and regulate temperature, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. Additionally, selecting windows that are ENERGY STAR certified ensures they meet stringent energy efficiency standards. Overlooking professional installation. Even if you've purchased high-quality windows, poor installation can ruin the benefits they offer. Many homeowners attempt to cut costs by hiring inexperienced or unqualified installers, or worse, trying to install the windows themselves. Unfortunately, improper installation can result in drafts, water leaks, and even compromised window security. It's crucial to hire a professional window installer with a solid reputation. A skilled professional will ensure that the windows are installed properly, preventing issues such as poor insulation and future damage. It's worth spending a bit more on professional installation to guarantee that the job is done right the first time. Ignoring local climate conditions. Cayce, like many parts of South Carolina, experiences hot and humid summers. This climate can affect the materials used for your windows, especially if you choose cheaper, lower quality options. Some window materials, such as wood, may warp or rot over time due to high humidity levels, while others, like vinyl, can become brittle in extreme heat. Make sure to select windows that are specifically designed to handle the local climate. Impact-resistant glass and frames made from durable materials such as fiberglass or high-quality vinyl are better suited to withstand the elements in casing. Underestimating maintenance needs another mistake homeowners often make when replacing windows is overlooking the long-term maintenance needs of their chosen window material. Some materials, like wood, require more upkeep, such as regular painting and sealing to prevent decay. Others, like vinyl or fiberglass, are low maintenance and more resistant to wear over time. Before making your purchase, assess how much time and effort you're willing to put into maintaining your windows. If you're not keen on frequent upkeep, opt for materials that are durable and require minimal maintenance. Not considering window orientation. The orientation of your windows affects how much sunlight enters your home and how much heat it retains. South-facing windows may allow more sunlight and heat, which can be a plus in the winter but lead to higher cooling costs in the summer. On the other hand, north-facing windows offer cooler, indirect light, which may be ideal for certain rooms. Take into account the direction your windows face when choosing glass types, tints, and treatments. For example, using tinted windows on south-facing walls can help prevent overheating during summer months, keeping your home cooler and reducing air conditioning costs. Skipping the research process. Lastly, one of the most critical mistakes is failing to do thorough research. With so many window options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, making an informed decision is key to ensuring that your new windows perform well and look great. Compare various brands, styles, and materials, and seek recommendations from professionals or friends who have recently gone through the process. Taking the time to research window types, installation methods, and the best brands for your home's needs will ultimately save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Conclusion. Replacing windows in your Cayce home is an exciting opportunity to enhance your living space, improve energy efficiency, and increase curb appeal. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your window replacement project goes smoothly and provides lasting benefits. From selecting the right style and material to hiring a professional installer, paying attention to these details will help you get the most out of your investment.